Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan and I am a dedicated full stack web developer with a strong passion for creating dynamic and user friendly web applications. Currently, I am owning my skills as a full stack web developer trainee at Skillyards Versatility. Today, I am thrilled to present my latest project ChatHive. It's an AI powered chat application. It integrates OpenAI APIs, Firebase authentication, modern technologies like Tailwind CSS, and Beat for performance. Now I will give you the overview of my project ChatHive. So ChatHive enables user to have conversation with AI like ChatGPT. It is designed for intuitive and personalized user experience. So these are the four technologies used in my project. First is OpenAI API. For AI chat driven application, it is used. Firebase is a Google platform. It is a third party which is used for secure login purpose. Tailwind CSS for sleek and responsive design. It is the modern technology. Beat for performance. Now I will show you the live demo of my project. So this is the login page of my project ChatHive. So here you can manually create your account by entering your username and password, or you can log in with Google and GitHub. For now, I will log in with Google. Now I will search what is Monstack, and as you can see that it is giving the output just like ChatGPT. So these are the key features of my project ChatHive. First one is Open API integration. The core of ChatHive is powered by Open API integration, and which allows user to chat with AI in real time. And it is also context aware responsive. It is also used for context aware responsive. And second one is Firebase authentication. For security purposes, Firebase authentication is used. Here I used sign in with Google and sign in with GitHub, and the user profile image is also fetched and displayed on the home page. Third one is Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is a modern technology which is used for sleek and responsive designs. And Vite is a development tool which is used to accelerate the build time. And it is also used to optimize the running time of the project. Now I will show you where I use these key features in my project. So this is the Firebase config file. When I created my account on Firebase, then these credentials are provided by Firebase like API key or domain project ID, storage bucket, etc. This is the auth context file where I use context, which is a global object. It is used to change the state from parent to children. This is the login page of my project where I used two async functions with the name sign in with Google and sign in with GitHub. And here I used an await which is sign in with pop-up, and sign in with pop-up authenticates Firebase client by taking in pop-up with auth provider. Then this is my home.jsx file where I imported OpenAI from OpenAI, and I created an object with the name OpenAI where I imported my env file. My API key is stored in the env file, and I imported that API key here. Now I will show you where I use these key features in my project. So this is the Firebase config file. When I created the account on Firebase, then these credentials are provided by Firebase. These credentials are like API key, auth domain, project ID, storage bucket, etc. This is the auth context file, and here I used use context. Use context is a global object which is used to change the state from parent to children. Then this is the login page, and here I made two async functions. Now I will show you where I use these key features in my code. So this is the Firebase config file, and these credentials I take from the Firebase. When I created the account on Firebase, then these credentials like API key, auth domain, project ID, storage bucket, etc. are provided by the Firebase. Then this is the auth context file. Here I used use context, which is a global object, and it is basically used to change the state from parent to children. This is the login page JSX, and here I made two async functions with the name sign in with Google and sign in with GitHub, and these functions uses two blocks try and catch. When the credentials are correct, then the try block is executed, and when there is some error, then the catch block is executed. And the OpenAI API key is stored in the environment variable. These are the challenges and solutions that I faced. So there are mainly two challenges that I faced. First one is efficient API integration. This was because I have to deliver the response in real time without any delay. So for this, I handled the API request asynchronously. And the second one was Firebase authentication and profile personalization. I have to secure the user data and their profile so that it can't be leaked or hacked. So for that, I used effective session handling. These are the three main future enhancement that I will made in future. First one is conversation history. So in future, I will made conversation history in my ChatEye project, just like ChatGPT. It can store last 30 days or last year's history that you have searched. Second one is multi-language support. Multi-language support ensures that the users can provide prompt in their native language. Third one is enhanced user settings. Like user can adjust the voice of the chat hive according to their preferences. So the conclusion is that I integrate modern web technologies like Tailwind CSS, Firebase authentication, and Beat in this project, which showcases my ability to create dynamic and user-friendly web applications. So that's all for your time. Thank you once again.